How to deactivate Instagram account in PC. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in instagram.com. Press enter. You'll be led to the official website of Instagram. Click on the three lines that you can see at bottom. Access the settings. At left you can find the option for Account Center. Click on it. From the Account Center, you'll be able to deactivate your account. At last, you can find the option for Manage Accounts. Click on it. Find the Instagram account that you would like to deactivate. Click on the option Manage right next to it. Click on the option Deactivation or Deletion. You can see two options: Deactivate Account, Delete Account. Since you want to deactivate, click on the option for Deactivate Account. Click on the option Continue. Read these informations very carefully. Click on the option Continue. For security reasons, enter your password. Click on the option Continue again. Select the reason. Once you do that, what you have to do is scroll down. You can also enter the reason for deactivating over here. Click on the option Continue. Click on the option Continue again. Confirm the temporary account deactivation. Click on the option Deactivate Account. Wait for a while. Now your account will be deactivated. You'll be logged out of your Instagram account. Like this, you can deactivate Instagram account in PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.